Hello, my name is Paul Hogan. I'm married to Chris. We have a son, John, and two grandchildren, Eli and Riley. My background is a long career in computer and mobile phone programming, and after taking early retirement in 2019, I decided that I wanted to find a hobby that was hands-on. I quickly discovered that I liked woodwork and so started hand carving, quickly moving on to using scroll saws. I then discovered an online review by a scroll saw community member reviewing the xTool D1 Pro 10W. The online review was the start of my xTool journey, as after purchasing the D1 Pro 10W, it was clear to me that I purchased a quality product. I've been using xTool lasers now for nearly 2 years, and in that time I've purchased 4 lasers: a D1 Pro 10W, a D1 Pro 20W, an F1 and an S1. All these lasers have fulfilled the needs for which they were purchased, but each time I wanted to progress further to see what other projects I could create using xTool lasers. My xTool lasers has aided my work in charitable organisations where I provide items such as football award trophies, surprise special gifts, custom requests and other items. Laughter is a local non-profit organisation that provides respite care for individuals with conditions ranging from Down syndrome, autism, ADHD and other mental or physical conditions. With my lasers, I've been able to provide workshops and events that cater for these individuals, allowing them to have fun in a safe environment, painting items that I've made for them using my lasers. Not only have I been able to make many items that has had an impact on so many individuals, recently I've been able to have a one-to-one session with David, a member of the Laughter group. He has an interest in woodwork, and so I allowed him to come to my home where I showed him how to use, under my guidance, the S1 and XES. He was able to make himself his name that he could hang above his bed. This was a wonderful example of how you can use your xTool lasers, not just for profit, but you can use them to have a huge impact on individuals that would otherwise not have access to such lasers.
And then the banner.
That's
Shall I
it.
put the banner now? Shall I
Okay.
put this up?
So it's this one here. Oh, what a star. Now over here,
Right.
you need to click. Can you click on there for me? On the green button. Click. And hold on, and you've got one more to click, so click on there at the top.
And that should work.
Yeah. Now you press the button on the laser and it starts.
There it goes.
Of course, a nice bit of key.
It is, Dave. Brilliant bit.
You lift that up. And remember, you push the laser all the way to the back. Just push it to the back. And lift out the big piece of wood. It shouldn't fall down, that's it. And you can just put that on the floor next to your...
See where
Yeah.
we'll put it down there next to the other one, that's it.
And then you just pull out your name.
Is it?
And if you turn...
Whoa.
Sit now, show me.
That's it.
No, brilliant.
Are you happy with that?
David number 2.
And then you click on there. And then you press the button on the side.
Do it again.
That's a bit better. That's a bit better, Paul.
It's like it's colouring it in.
You happy with that?
It makes a bit dark.
Make it darker. B.
Okay.
Brilliant. That's brilliant. That's brilliant.
It shows. Let's have a look. Excellent.
Well done.
Having owned 4 xTool lasers, I feel confident that I can say without a doubt that they are high quality, premium product. Because I own 4 xTool lasers, I feel I'm in a position where I can say what I find good and bad about them. For the D1 Pros, they are excellent entry-level lasers. They provided me with everything I needed. The only problem I found with the D1 Pros was the need for an additional enclosure to ensure that you were safe from fumes. It should be clear that after investing so much money in 4 lasers from xTool, that they must be a quality product. Otherwise, why would have I bought 4 of them? I'm happy with my lasers. Each one, from the D1 Pros to the F1 to the S1, have all done exactly what I wanted from them. But with each upgrade, I've found I've been able to do far much more. Without a doubt, the premium laser now is the S1. It's feature rich, it looks good, it's fast, and it's safe. And it's a laser that I thoroughly recommend. That is not to say that the D1 Pros are any less of a laser. They are more than adequate to fulfill your needs and to continue to be your workhorse. In fact, both my D1s served me tirelessly for 12 months until I upgraded to the F1 only to complement the D1s, and it was only when I found about the S1 that I decided this was the time to move up to the premium machine. In summary, regardless of what model xTool laser you purchase, from the time it arrives and you open that package and you see the quality of the packaging, you will realise that you've bought a premium product from a good company. So far, I've had only positive dealings when, in rare occasions, I've had to contact xTool customer support. You will not be disappointed if you choose xTool. I'll now show you some of the items that I've made using my xTool lasers. I rather like designing and making clocks, Christmas themed items, 3D pictures, 3D models that look like metal but were all made on an xTool laser, wooden love books to pass on to your loved ones, an imitation pendulum clock complete with cogs, I made this lighthouse themed bedside table lamp, some Valentine items. Of course, I like to make custom clocks. And collage pictures using the F1 and business cards. And then we have multicoloured mirrors. Another hanging clock. A very large advent calendar in the shape of a Christmas train with individual chocolate drawers. A Christmas chimney that Father Christmas will call down to. A little LED stove and a Christmas box. Another little table lamp in the shape of a sitting man. And yet another clock. A tower clock with 4 clock faces. Pig themed pictures, spooky clocks. Let's not forget Halloween. And again, another metal looking item. A love heart teddy bear that looks like metal but was made with wood. Another wooden box. More multicoloured mirrors. A train station clock. All these items, all made on an xTool laser. The only thing that's holding you back is your imagination when using an xTool laser.